Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Compound A has formula C6H12O3 with degree of unsaturation is equal to 2 times 6 plus 2 to 12, 2 is equal to 1, indicating 1 degree of unsaturation, 1C is equal to O group. Moving on to the next step. This indicates the presence of a CH3CO methyl ketone group or a CH3CO group. Since Tollens reagent gives no reaction with a directly, ruling out an aldehyde, the compound contains a methyl ketone, CH3C is equal to O group. Moving on to the next step. This confirms A is not an aldehyde. The carbonyl present must be a ketone. And for the final step. After hydrolysis, Tollens reagent gives silver mirror. This means hydrolysis of a generates an aldehyde. The acetyl functional group CH or CH3 upon hydrolysis yields an aldehyde CHO. So A contains an acetyl group that, upon hydrolysis, releases an aldehyde. CH3C is equal to O CH2CH O CH3 Molecular formula CH3CO C2H3O plus CH2 plus CHO C3 is equal to C2H3O plus CH2 plus C3H7O2 is equal to C6H12O3. Check. C is equal to 6, H is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 12, O is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Correct formula C6H12O3 contains CH3C is equal to O group positive iodoform test, yellow Chi3 precipitate. The carbonyl is a ketone, no reaction with Tollens directly. On hydrolysis, CH O CH3 to CHO aldehyde plus to CH3O. The resulting aldehyde gives silver mirror with Tollens. Option A contains a free O group adjacent to a ketone and an ether. Upon hydrolysis it would not cleanly give a simple aldehyde for Tollens, and the structure does not fit neatly as an acetyl. Option B CH3CO C O CH3 2CH3 hydrolysis of the acetyl C O CH3 gives a ketone, not aldehyde, so Tollens would not give silver mirror after hydrolysis. Option D HC is equal to O CH2 O CH3 contains an aldehyde directly, so Tollens reagent would react without hydrolysis, contradicting the observation of no Tollens reaction before hydrolysis. Also, no methyl ketone means no iodoform test. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.